Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the channel. Now, since I put the new wheels on, I've got a lot of questions about the range of the car and how much it affected the range. So we're starting right now. I just want to show you here. We're starting at 90% and I'm heading to the gym, a route which I go pretty much every single day. And I know for a fact that with the stock wheels, it always drained the battery by about 9 to 10%. Sometimes 11, 12, depending if I'm feeling a little bit enthusiastic in my driving. So today we're gonna have a look. We're starting at 90%. It's a full Tesla battery at 90%. So I'm gonna give you an update once I get back home and show you exactly how much it drained this time. And by the way, let's stop here. I just want to show you what I did as well when putting these new wheels on. Is you go into service, wheel configuration, and then I put the wheels that are closest to the wheels I have on right now. So you have a bunch of choices here. I used to have the 19s, I think the 19 Sport version 2 right there, or 19 Sport wheels, I can't remember. But when you switch wheels, it only goes up to 20, which is good. If you have 21s, it's probably too big for the Model 3 anyway. It's going to really rough up the ride and make it look a little ridiculous, but 20s are good. So these are the ones that look pretty much closest to what I have right now. So that's one thing I did as well. Well, the workout is done, and I do have a bit of a surprise for you. I'm not going to show you the percentage right now, but I have to say I'm surprised. I've been driving the car, but I haven't really driven it this exact distance since I put the wheels on. So yeah, let's head home and then I'm going to show you the exact percentage, how much drained, what's usually 10%, and with the new tires, what it added up to be. Okay guys, so I can't keep this from you much longer, so I'm almost home. And the weird thing is, look at the percentage here. We're at 83%, and I'm pretty sure it's going to land around pretty much the same or even less battery drainage than I got with the 19-inch. And this is a real head scratcher here. And I can't really figure out why, because I haven't really driven this car in any other cautious way. I've done some unnecessary but fun overtakes, and I've done some inspired red light floor pedal to the metal, just like normal. So I haven't really driven it any differently than I would if I just go for a regular drive. So it's weird. The only explanation I have is the traffic. So today is a Monday morning, so I think that might have something to do with it, because it's more stop and go, so it gives more regen braking and regen charge. That's basically the only explanation I have for it being on 83. And I mean, I'm 2 minutes away from home now, so I can't really explain it. It's weird, but the conclusion, I guess, is if you're worried about the range, if you put 20s compared to the 19s, I'm not sure how it is 20s compared to the 18 with the aero cap on. I think that will probably have a bigger effect, since I already had kind of sporty tires to begin with. That probably has a lot to do with it as well, now that I think about it. But this is the overall feeling I had since I switched the tires. I just realized I don't really notice any difference in the range drop. And the way to the gym one way is 9.5 miles, 9.5 back, so round up to 19 or 20 miles back and forth, a total trip. So I don't think that's too bad. I don't know, let me know what you think about this mystery here, where you see it's still stop and go traffic here. So I think that has a lot to do with it, as I said. But let me know if you have any explanation or ideas on why it's actually it's going to be less than 10 miles. It's going to be like 8% drainage when we get home. It's 7 now, and it went down to 89 almost immediately as soon as I left home, because I didn't fully charge it. So the 90% there was kind of lost already. So I'm impressed. I'm really impressed with these wheels and these tires as well. Update on the tires, I'm really happy with the Falcon tires that I have, Azinis. I'm gonna put the proper name down in the description. I can't remember the specific name of the tires, but if you're interested in these wheels and tires, I'd say go for it. I mean, it transforms the entire car into a completely different car, and when it comes to the looks of it and the stance of it. And I've decided not to lower it, because the fitment now, when you look at the car from the outside, you have the same distance between the tire, end of the tire, and the wheel arch is the same all around, and that's what I want. I don't like lowered cars when you can tell that they've been lowered, if that makes sense. I want it to be very subtle, if lowered at all. If I'm gonna lower any car, it needs to be very subtle and very classy looking. I don't want it slammed, that's for sure. And I think this fitment setup that I have right now, without lowering it, I think it looks just right. So I'm gonna keep it like this and just enjoy the car now. I don't really know if I want to do any more mods to it. Maybe some front splitters, some side skirts, maybe. I know there is a rear diffuser that I've been looking at, a very, very modest upgrade, but you can see the fins in the diffuser on that one, which I really like. There we have my next dream car right there. Look at that beautiful white Taycan 4S. I absolutely love the wheels on this thing. I love that they took the concept and just slammed it on like that. It's just a beautiful looking car. So that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and we are down at 82% and we are home right now. So that's the conclusion. Thanks again for watching. Take care. I will see you in the next one.
You